Welcome everyone to Snowblower 101. I'm going to show you what happened to our snowblower because it was infuriating. The drive wheels stopped working. Every once in a while it would just stop moving. This would always happen when I'm late for work. And I know what you're saying. You're saying, why doesn't anyone post snowblower repair information on Facebook? I wanted to show you what I found. So this is the snowblower without the auger on it. So we took that off. That's just a couple of bolts. And this is what you have inside. There's a couple of belts that go on these pulleys here that drive the two different pulleys. Anyway, to keep it simple, I discovered what the problem was. So this is the friction disc. You can see it's kind of like messed up. This friction disc goes here on this drive wheel. This is our new friction disc. That goes on here. It goes right on the drive pulley, right there. It's easy. And then this metal plate goes on to hold it there. Well, we couldn't figure out why the friction disc kept wearing out. This thing has gotten eaten up by oil. It's all oily. So we got oil coming down and falling onto the friction disc. And if it's all oily, then the thing doesn't drive itself forward. Check it out. This is the disc that spins. This is what actually transmits the engine power to the friction disc over here. Look at how oily that thing is. Here's what I found. This is a PCV. Everybody say positive crankcase ventilation. In other words, this is where the engine dispenses excess pressures. This pipe right here. And so what that's been doing is dripping oil onto this platform right here. And then the oil's been going up here and dripping down here, there, and dripping down onto the friction disc. Ta-da! Then the thing doesn't move forward anymore. So we're going to figure a way to make this pipe longer and not pour caca all over the engine mount. There you go. If your snowblower doesn't move forward, happens to be a snapper I-724, you know what to do.